teach you how to actually Pinterest. One of the questions that I get the most is, why do we have to do this for an assignment? Well, let me explain that to you. Pinterest is actually one of the social media applications that many businesses use for marketing purposes. And what you're learning how to do here just by simply doing your class assignments could actually be considered a job skill. Let me tell you a little bit about Pinterest so that you know. And yes, I use Wikipedia for reference. I'm okay with it. The demographics of Pinterest, they pretty much have down from 2012. And they found that 83% of the global users were women. However, in Britain, it's a little bit different. In Britain, it's more like 50%, 56% of the users were male, and that their age profile was a little different too. When it comes to businesses using Pinterest, businesses will use Pinterest to showcase a product or a service that they have. Sometimes they'll do like enhancements on it and possibly link it to other things it could go with, or maybe even do a little, hey, question and answer about how it can be used. So learning to use Pinterest is a good thing for you. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to Vanco Hall and click on the link to our Pinterest account for our class. It is at the bottom of the area that says Pinterest. Once you have done that, this is what it's going to look like. And by the way, that picture of the baby is really me. A long time ago, huh? So you want to look at the top of it, and you can log in or sign in from there. Once you have logged in or signed in, your screen is going to look more like this one. Everything you see that you need to work on, I've added a picture to it, and there should be a question at the bottom of it, or a statement, something that tells you what to do. This is the screen after I've logged in and I have clicked on the one that I need to answer. The one that I need to answer is, what is the median annual income in your country in US dollars? Notice up at the top where the arrow is pointing, there is a comments that tell you how many people have commented on this already. If you use the pull down, you will be able to see them. When you use the pull down, it will show you all of the comments. You go down to the bottom and you simply add your comment and hit the enter key in order to add it. Let me just give you a little warning though. As soon as you do it, it's not going anywhere, so you might want to check on that. Okay, after the comment, this is what I add. Smithland, and yes, I'm an empress of the world, so one of these days I'm going to just take over an entire country and rename it Smithland. But Smithland has an annual income of $250,000 for each resident over the age of 25. That's my comment. Now, I have told you sometimes I would like for you to comment on what others have to say. So, I decided to comment on what Quan had to say. His name's actually Naquan, but I call him Quan. So, I just said, Naquan, I've always wanted to travel to Hungary. With that low of an annual income, I can afford to go shopping. Yes, I'm a female. I don't like missing a shopportunity. It is that easy for you to be able to use the Pinterest account. Good luck and call me if you have any problems. Bye.